These lights are called chandelier lights. I took them out of my Toyota motorhome. They go around a 14 by 14 vent roof on the inside. They're all LEDs. I couldn't see leaving them in the Toyota motorhome when I'm going to sell it. You can buy these lights on Amazon, eBay, and there's RV places that sell them too. They're just called chandelier lights, LED. I'm going to sell the Toyota motorhome. I don't use it. It stays in the backyard all the time. It needs too much work. I can't believe I paid insurance all last year and this year and a tag and didn't even drive 100 miles. Also inside that Toyota there's a 2,000 watt inverter. It's a Seinway. I don't know that name. It's XAN X-Track TREX. It's a Pro SW2000, a 2,000 watt inverter. It's about $450 online. I'm keeping it too. I already took it out. I really like these lights. They're really bright. They'll go in my Chevy camper van. I could not see leaving them in the Toyota.